Good evening and welcome to SCO's Daily Updates. Today's case is politically charged. A challenge was filed before the Supreme Court questioning the Karnataka government's decision to scrap 4% reservations in the OBC quota for the Muslim community. In the last week of March, the Karnataka government, ahead of the upcoming Karnataka elections, changed the reservation categories and grant of reservations within the state. Among the changes introduced was the scrapping of the 4% OBC reservation granted to the Muslim community. The scrap reservation was instead used to create a 2% each fresh reservation categories for the Vokkaliga and Lingayat communities. Senior advocate Dushil Dave, who was representing the challenges, argued before Justice K.M. led bench today. Mr. Dave argued that matter was posted for interim relief tomorrow. However, since the court will be on holiday tomorrow, he sought that the interim relief or a stay on these changes in reservations be granted for the time being. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who appeared for the Karnataka government, and Senior Advocate Mukul Rohatgi, who appeared representing the Vokkaliga and Lingayat communities, however, countered this suggestion. They stated that the Supreme Court should not give any sort of interim relief as they wanted to continue arguing the matter on Tuesday, and they stated that there would be no irreparable harm done until then. Mr. Dave, however, disagreed. He stated that the law itself or the changes in reservation was made without any basis. As per established practice, all changes to reservations or introduction of new categories or removal of any categories of reservations must be based on a report and empirical studies. However, no such report was prepared by the government and there was no empirical backing to that decision to scrap reservation for the Muslim community. Mr. Dave also pointed out other fallacies in the Karnataka government's reasoning. The Karnataka government stated that they were trying to do away with all religious reservations. However, Mr. Dave pointed out that it was only reservations for the Muslim community under the OBC category that was removed. Communities like Christians and Jains and other other minority religious communities continue to enjoy reservation benefits as they have before. The current reservations for the Muslim community has been shifted to the has been shifted to the EWS category, where they will have a 10% reservation slab which they have to share with other communities such as the Brahmins, the Vaishyas, the Mudaliyas and so on. Unlike before, they will not be part of the OBC category. At the end of this hearing, which lasted well after 5 o'clock today, the bench led by Justice K.M. decided to post the matter on Tuesday. However, while they did not grant any interim relief, they recorded the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta's submissions that there would be no adverse action against any of these communities and nothing would be done based on these reservations for the time being. Mr. Rohatgi and Mr. Tushar Mehta have been granted time until Monday to file their submissions. The matter will next be heard on 18th of April, Tuesday. Stay tuned to SC Observer for more updates from the Supreme Court.